If you are writing CS executive exam in December 2020, this video is going to help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end. Especially for direct taxes, students tell that it is very difficult to study the ICSI study material, which is so vast and also very confusing at times. That is why at Excel Academy we have a great solution for you. So we have a wonderful textbook which is in a very concise and crisp manner to make sure you can study the entire direct taxes of CS executive in less than a week. You may be thinking how is it possible? It is definitely possible, and for that we will be having CA and CS Apurva, our faculty who's prepared this book with lot of effort. She has put lot of effort and lot of hard work in making sure that a very complicated subject like direct taxes is put in a very simple manner. And to know more about that book, we have Apurva herself who's going to talk now. And after she finishes, I'll tell you how you can get a copy of this book and how you can make sure you study this and do very well in the December 2020 exams.
Hello everyone. Hope you're staying safe even in this pandemic. Many times in library I've come across CS course students referring for CA material or CMA material for the direct taxes. Hence it triggered me up that why can't I write a book for CS students? Hence I made my mind that I have to write a book on direct taxes exclusively for CS executive students. And I have a principle that my book should be a crisp and a student friendly. And this is how today the book called The Income Tax Simplified exclusively for CS students has come into reality. Keeping in mind the time frame of students, we have tried to inculcate the whole direct taxes syllabus in just 300 pages. This book has been prepared in such a way that even the non-commerce background students or a student who is studying the income tax from scratch will be able to understand the provisions of Income Tax Act or the income tax rules with the explanation and the illustration provided in the book. Keeping in mind the examination pattern of the new syllabus that is based on the objective types, the MCQs has been included at the end of each and every chapter. And for the purpose of self-assessment, we have also included test series at the end of the book. So, a student will be able to revise this book at least thrice, even though you're left with 2 months for your examination. My dear students, try to secure 60 plus at least in one paper so that your module gets cleared. There's another scenario that by securing 50s in all the papers, still you can manage to clear your module, but as per my knowledge and experience, the probability of clearing the second scenario is very less. So today I'm going to share with you the 4 steps rule which I have followed for my examinations and it has worked out well. Step number 1. Try to refer the index from the institute material. That is going to be the CS Institute material, that is an ICSI material, so that you'll get an idea about the chapters which you have studied in your degree course. Or you'll get an idea about the chapters which you haven't studied before. For example, refunds, assessment procedures, and TCS, etc. Step number 2. Try to refer to the previous attempt question papers so that you'll get an idea about the standard of questions which has been asked by the institute, and you can also notice the areas upon which the institute is concentrating upon. Try to refer at least 2 previous attempt question papers. Step number 3. Refer to the material called Income Tax Simplified. Refer twice, thrice, so that you can get a hold upon the subject. Step number 4. Try to solve the test series which we have provided at the end of this book. And try to solve the mock test as many as possible. The mock test should be taken prior to 15 days or 10 days of your examination. Please avoid taking mock tests on the previous day of your examination. Hope you got a brief idea about this book called Income Tax Simplified exclusively for CS students from this interview. All the best, my dear students. Do well. Hope to see you as my professional colleagues very soon.
Now that CA and CS Apurva ma'am has told you all the details about the book and how it is going to help you, we have a great opportunity for you where you can enroll and get a copy of this book. But some things you should know. First thing is that since it's going to be a soft copy and we have to protect the copyright of Apurva ma'am because she has put lot of effort. We see that students really don't appreciate and they simply copy and they simply share. So to make sure that it is a protected document, you will be able to watch this only online. So whether you have Excel Academy online app or on the Excel Academy website, in either of these two places you can access this book and you can study. It is very easy and many students have already done that for our video classes for notes and short Q&A and stuff like that. To make sure that you are getting the best experience, you should have internet. That is as simple as that. If you have internet, it doesn't take much of your data also because it is a text and you will be able to see the complete notes and study that. What I have seen is that this book is prepared to make sure that you get at least 40 to 45 marks out of the 50 marks. Yes, what you have for 50 marks, you can get 40 to 45 marks when you study this book really well. Since you have just about a month time, this is the perfect time for this particular book and you can complete the complete syllabus with 100% confidence. And this book is priced very minimally. The link of that is there in the description box. Make sure that you go to the description, click on that link and you can take a look at this book. But let me tell you very clearly, you will not be able to download and print this book. You need to read this book along with internet on the Excel Academy online app or on Excel Academy website. But we'll ensure that you can do very well in exam with the help of this book. So make sure, don't waste any more time. In less than 7 days you can complete direct access. That is our guarantee from Apurva ma'am and Excel Academy. You will be doing very well in the direct access of CS Executive. Go to the description box below, register for this and make sure you get a copy of the soft copy of the direct access wonderful handbook and textbook which Apurva ma'am has made. All the best for exam. I will see that you are going to get the best result and I will wait to hear from you once you get above 40 in direct access of CS Executive. All the best for the December exam.